In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure dual display using two monitors. So let's say you have a laptop and then you attached an external monitor to your laptop. Let me show you how to configure your dual monitor screen. First of all, you want to go to your desktop and then right click your desktop and then click display settings. By clicking display settings, here we have the option to actually configure and then monitor our display settings. Here you can see I have two screens. So if I click identify, then you should be able to identify which is your number one monitor and which is your number two monitor. Right now you can see that my mouse is being able to actually, if I decide to go to the other monitor, you can see how easy my mouse goes to the other monitor. But if I change this second monitor and then bring it here you can see, then I click apply. What happens is the following: I will not be able to go to this monitor from my left hand side. I should go through the other side to my second monitor. So what you want to do, you want to change it back so that you can actually flow to your monitor easily from this side. Then, for example, you can see we have the extend display. I can decide to actually duplicate this display. Let me just click duplicate. You can see that everything I'm doing will be on both screens. So I can decide to keep the changes. You can see we now have one display. So let me just extend display. So I'm going to actually revert. Let me just extend the display and then keep the changes. So right now you can also see that my number one screen is not my main monitor, which is my laptop screen. I'm using the extended monitor as my main monitor. So if I click on my second screen, you can see it's being checked as make this my main display. So the number two monitor is my main display. You also have other options, for example, to show only on number one, which means everything will be shown on number one, or we can decide to actually show it on number two, which means everything will be shown on my second screen, which is the number two. So we want to identify. Here you can click identify. And again, you can also see that we have some other options here which says remember Windows location based on monitor connections. So which means that if I take my laptop to a different device, to a different monitor and connect, come back again to this laptop, I don't need to reconfigure my settings. It's going to remember my settings. Here you can see it says minimize Windows when the monitor is disconnected. So it will be minimized, and also ease cursor movement between display. So which means that the cursor movement is actually being eased and it just go smoothly. So this is how easy it is for you to configure a dual monitor. So if you have been struggling with this, please leave a comment in this video if you think this video has been of big help to you. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT video like this. And also please try and like this video, and you are always free to share this video if you think this video can be of help to someone else.